Hey guys, I'm here to show you the Freedom 160 battery. And the Freedom 160 is designed to be the highest capacity that you can take on an airplane. And we're gonna open one up and show you what it's all about. So when you open it, you'll have power supply inside here. We'll open up in a sec. Two cables, a 12 volt and a 24 volt. So the 12 volt is for the Philips DreamStation devices and 24 volts be for your Resonant devices. AirSense 11, Air Mini, and the good old AirSense 10. User manual, and of course, the Freedom 160. Got this little stand. Okay, the most important thing I can go over with you, and this wouldn't matter if you're using this battery or any battery, it's how to use a battery pack or just to reduce the energy consumption of your CPAP device. Turn off your heated humidifier and your heated tubing. You will get so much more runtime out of it. So I hope you can apply that as a value add. Regardless if you have a battery or not, it'll get you a lot more and a lot longer runtime, okay? Let's just throw this on one of the devices so you can kind of see what it looks like. So the more commonly used right now is the Resmed style cable, the 24 volt cable. You have what looks like a little USB port connection yellow that'll fit into your AirSense 11 and your Air Mini, and then a barrel connector for your AirSense 10. So I'm just gonna plug this in the back of the AirSense 11. And then we have a DC or USB-C that will go into the DC out port. And we should see this thing powering on. You'll want to charge it when you open it right away. That's the first thing you want to do so you can use it to its best capacity. I'm just gonna press play so that we can get a little bit of airflow, and you got it. Okay, so again, key thing, turn off your heated humidifier, turn off your heated tubing. And what you can do is just use a standard tube as well. On an AirSense 10, we'll go over the other run times. AirSense 10 on a fixed cpap of 10 with your heated humidifier and your heated tubing off, 24 hours of runtime. Okay? So guys, if you have any questions, troubleshooting, you want a demo, a walkthrough when you get it, or even if you don't get it, give us a call, we'll see if we can help you. Give us a call, that's all. So other than that, enjoy, and we'll talk soon. Thanks guys.